All right. Yesterday we began this operation. 2011 328 BMW all-wheel drive. Motors locked up. So what happens? The converter is bolted to the flex plate. So normally you would actually take the motor out, and then if the motor wasn't locked up, you would take the motor out and unbolt the torque converter. In this case, we can't unbolt the torque converter, so we dropped everything on the table as one unit. So now we can stabilize the engine, slide the transmission off, and then disassemble the torque converter from off the flex plate. So normally we wouldn't have to go this far, but if there's a will, there's a way. We made our table as so we can actually disassemble the engine, work on it very easily. So we'll probably be finished this car by Friday of this week. We began the operation yesterday at 9 o'clock, and 5 o'clock, this is what we have. So stay tuned. We will definitely come back and show you how we put it all back together. What we actually did, we lowered the engine, put it on a stable floor or table, and lifted the car off of the engine. Stay tuned.